Welcome back, guys, to Java Space. So in this video we are going to talk about Spring AOP challenges. So basically I'll just show you a couple of Pointcut expressions and would like you to try and explain where they are pointing to. So the first one here, we see that we have execution star, we have ZA dot ap dot clear dot star. I made a mistake here. It was supposed to be just two, yes, pardon me, just two dots. So, and we have the second one being star, ZA, then we have star, sorry, we have dot, we have star, we have Z, we have dot, we have API, then we have star, sorry, we have dot, we have star, we have dot, we have star, then we have dot. And the last one, we have star, we have dot API, we have dot, we have star, we have dot, we have star, we have dot. So you will pause this video and try to say it on your own. So this Pointcut expression is saying that we want any method that is inside a clear package. And here we are saying we do not care what is in between, but at the end of the day, or eventually, we want to get into any method that is within clear. So there can be many sub packages between ZA and API, and we don't really care about that. And also we are saying we don't care about the class name. We don't care about the method name. We just care about this package here. And that method, we don't really care how many arguments that method has. And here also we are saying it should match any either public or protected, such modifier, any modifier. Yeah, the word modifier was refusing to come. Sorry about that. So then the second one we are saying, notice the difference between the first one and the second. The second one was dot. The first one was dot and the second one is just a dot and a star. So this second one means that we can only have one package that separates ZA and API. But this one we say we don't care how many packages separates the two. By packages I mean sub packages. So that is it. So we only have one package between ZA and API, and this one remains the same. Here we are now saying any method inside API package that takes any number of arguments. Look at the last one. The last one we are saying we don't really care what is in between. So if you were to put dot without a star, this would be an invalid expression. That's why we need to prefix it with a star, which then means we don't really care about packages that are starting, but we are interested in package API. Anything inside this API package and any method arguments and any modifier that matches, we are taking that. So these are the challenges that I have set, guys. I believe you found that challenging and interesting. You can also use at Pointcut expression, at Pointcut annotation. So when you are in an aspect class and you find that your Pointcut expression is repeating itself, you can abstract it, or you can put it somewhere with an at Pointcut annotation, and then be calling it where it's been required. So in this case, we see we have at Pointcut execution, then we have public string, we have find by ID long blah, then on top of this method find by ID. Then look at what we are doing here. We are saying public object find by ID execution join point, as you can see. Then here, instead of having an execution expression as we saw how it has to be built, we just call this find by ID, which is technically a Pointcut because we have annotated that method with a Pointcut annotation. So this is useful when a Pointcut expression repeats itself in multiple advices. So then if I had another method that uses this, I was just going to call it like this instead of having to have duplicate Pointcuts that are the same. I hope that makes sense.